So I'm gonna take a couple basic things that I actually got for free. I got a piece of scrap metal. I got this cart. I've got an old junction box from work that was gonna be thrown away. It's basically gonna look like this. And then this piece is gonna go here. I'm gonna cut the handle off on this side so that this can overhang just a little bit more and give me more room for this box here. Kind of the concept. Have me like a little tray, put tools in, I got a handle here. So I'm gonna actually weld this piece to the cart as well as this piece here.